Why is it always me? Okay, I had to make sure. So I got my bracelet from here. It has like a 2-year warranty, and I've already bought it once. I gotta bring it again. I'll just make sure.
Look at this. It's the Sephora inside of a mall.
Where are these?
What? I don't know. What are these?
That's why I don't know.
I don't know, puppy. What about?
They're probably good though, huh?
What's going on, guys? We're here at the mall.
It's a matte
There's no
finish.
testers.
I want to see if it's a matte finish.
Lots of stuff. Pearls. Pearls.
Yeah.
How come they let the lipstick open
Found something?
before it dries out?
I'm trying to see if it's a matte finish. It looks it, but it doesn't say it.
Don't you gotta like rub it on your arm or something?
On my
Isn't
arm?
that like a woman thing?
You mean on like that?
Yeah. No? No?
Let me see. I come to Indiana, right? To buy lipstick made where? New York.
You got it?
Can't get on.
Can't.
Oh yeah, it takes the cash. What is it? No change or cash? Cash.
Let me turn on the engine.
She's so excited.
It doesn't. Like, sit down, baby. I have to sit. That takes credit.
Where's the?
$1 right here. Press start. Press the start green button.
Uh-oh. Mine looks so big now. It's a big ass freaking so big.
Just look at the baby. Priscilla, you want to go with mine? It's like, yeah.
Some sort of a race car, yeah.
Get ready, we're taking off.
How's the massage? How's the massage?
I think this one's different than the other one.
Okay, let me try. Let me sit there. This feels kind of awkward.
I can sit, Papi.
Hey, puppy, let me try it. I feel like I'm getting groped when I'm sitting down. Awkward groping going on here.
Now can I?
It's going lower. It's going to my butt. This is so weird. You like the massage more than me? Huh? You like it?
Yeah, it's on my butt.
It's on your butt.
It's rising. It's trying to rise me up.
That's it, finish. How'd you like it?
Oh, I'm not going nowhere. You can just put more money in mine and y'all can go around.
Feel good? I know it felt good on your back.
This butt was a little awkward.
That butt part was weird, right?
I like the squishing on my legs.
You sad?
Okay, fine.
You sad?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm sad I don't want to leave it.
Does you feel more energized? I feel abused though.
Oh, you?
I felt, you know, I felt awkward. I felt kind of used.
That's practice. Vending machine type status.
Oh, we don't have to talk to a vendor. Oh, look, babe, Spencer's.
That's cool though.
You want to get one?
No.
So then why are you saying it's so cool if you don't want to get
You're the one
nothing?
that used to get that.
Yo, let me get some Jordans. Ah, man. So
Go to Spencer's.
let's go to Spencer's.
You gotta be careful.
Oh, look at this one. I like this one.
Papi, look.
Yeah, I know.
Papi.
Nice. I could probably find my lip thing here, babe.
Guess what I got?
Jewelry tap off too, or something like that.
You got freaking crazy looking hats here. I like this Transformer one though. What else they got here? How much is it? Let's get the Child of Zelda hat. All jewelry 50% off. I should get a new one, right? Which was that one? Oh, that one's cool. That's Halo, right?
Yeah.
Is it? They have a massive amount of pop vinyls here. Look at this. They got the Hulk. They got, what is that? Natural Monsters, Kill Bill, Big Hero 6. They got some blind bags. No, we're just taking a look.
Okay.
Thank
Hopefully I get a minion.
This is one of the things that we had gotten from the Loot Crate this month. Something small like that. They got cool stuff here, man.
You got this
A lot
one,
of stuff.
Papi.
Oh yeah, that's the one that came in the Loot Crate this month. Pretty cool stuff here. What's that?
He has different faces.
So we're at a store over here in Kentucky that's kind of similar to Barnes & Nobles. That's just their version of Barnes & Nobles, but has more stuff. Doctor Who kind of things. You don't need that. You already have a toy. They have a lot of figurines. They have books. They have books and stuff. They have magazines. Look, they even have more Minecraft stuff. A lot of more Minecraft stuff.
Oh, Minecraft hangers. Papi, look, Minecraft hangers.
See, now they are. See, now we can look for Leo. They got figurines. Oh, they got the. I have to get this.
Minecraft.
Look, the Back to the Future time machine. And the Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters?
It's cool.
Oh, they have Ghostbusters.
I don't know how much these things cost. Probably arm and a leg. Oh, $25 ain't that bad though.
Papi, look.
These came in an old, in one of the Loot Crates as well. These retro action figures.
Look, Papi.
No, you don't need that, baby. The other side.
All right, you guys. So, hurricane simulator thing. You know, we saw it and figured, hey, why not? So let's see what happens. You can feel it from underneath here. Watch out, puppy. I guess. It's just like a fan, baby.
Are we going to Christina? Oh.
Alright, so let's
So we have the boys doing it today. Hurricane Katrina. Janice is preparing them for loading. Are you ready, Jeremiah? He's hiding by his daddy.
You see him? Oh, there it is. Jeremiah hiding. His hat's about to blow off. Yay!
Okay, bye. So me and the child were in that hurricane simulator. Decided to try it out because I saw this one guy on World Star Hip Hop doing a sustain. Wasn't as intense. I think he just made it look more cool. He made it look more cool. Did you like it, the hurricane simulator?
A little bit.
Little bit? You don't like it too much? It's too windy, right? Yeah, so.
A little bit windy.
Yeah, a little bit windy. So right now we're going to the car right now. Probably gonna hit up another store that has old school games. So.
Old school games?
Yes. Let's see what I can get there. I'm gonna buy a few stuff. I'll probably drop at least $500 on everything. Everything.
Wait, where's Leo's mom?
Everything. So, narrowing down our vacation from Indiana, and it's bittersweet.
It's just bitter right now.
And it hurts. I changed my thing because when I got my lip pierced before coming to New York, coming over here from New York, I told the girl to give me like a lip one so it doesn't bother me. She didn't listen, so I came here. I went to a Spencer's and found some stuff. But we're narrowing down our vacation time here in Indiana. I'm not gonna say no. It's been fun. I've enjoyed it. I can't complain. It's been one hell of a vacation. A lot more enjoyable than other vacations that I've had. And this is probably like my fourth vacation in my lifetime. So.
That's it?
Yeah, I mean, like going away from New York over here.
Oh, I mean, I've
Like
had a lot of them.
out from like going from
when
New
I
York
was
somewhere
little.
else. Cause I went, had a vacation, came back, broken relationship. Went on vacation, had a baby, broken relationship. You know, it's like, you know,
How
vacations
was
don't
that
work.
vacation?
Well, whatever, you know. But I can't complain, man. I would rather be. Look, you feel the lightning? Did you see the lots of thing? I like this, man. This is freaking amazing. I keep saying it in the vlogs, but it's true. And
The air is different out here.
The air is different. The water tastes different too. You know,
It does,
the
right?
tap water, right? It tastes different.
It tastes like it came out of a, you know, like those long ice cubes that you get, but from a fridge. It tastes like that.
Oh,
Yes.
that ice water thing. That's a weird tasting water. Like that ice, the frozen ice thing. That's kind of weird. It tastes funny. To me, it tastes funny. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you guys do that crazy stuff, going into the fridge and getting ice and letting it melt, like you do.
No, from the doors. You know how they have the water dispenser on one side and then the ice on the other.
Oh, okay.
You
The
know,
ice dispenser.
Yes.
So say it like that. Let's do that again. What'd you get? Ice dispenser, right?
The ice dispenser from the door of the refrigerators.
Oh. Oh.
Stupid.
You're stupid.
Wait till you turn off that camera. I'm gonna hit you with that movie.
Look, a car. I see where you're going. Alright guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it for today's vlog. We watched the kids for a few hours. Mine's is already sleeping. And we're gonna cut it short. I guess it was short. I'm not exactly sure what how much footage I've got today, but hopefully you guys enjoy. For those of you that are brand new, don't forget to subscribe. And for those of you already subscribed, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.